Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. Welcome to my living room floor. If you have kids, you know the importance of a good floor playmat that is super cushiony but also really easy to clean. I found this awesome reversible Gimars foam playmat. It's thicker than most other mats that I've seen, and also it folds up really easily for storage. My son loves cars and anything to do with cars or trucks, so we always have it on the cars side. It has letters in upper and lowercase and also numbers on here, so eventually when they're starting to learn those things, you can practice with this mat. It's totally waterproof and really easy to just wipe up spills, and you can also even vacuum it off, which is awesome. It's huge, and there's plenty of space for activities. It's also great for extra cushion when you want to have a family movie night in the living room. This playmat is a must-have for any new parents, but that's just my point of view.